These lawsuits concern several things that happened after the Philippine national election back in 2004. The Republic Act number 4200 or the anti-wiretapping law and its applicability are made more clear by this case, as well as the significance of freedom of expression as a value upheld in the Philippines. According to Ignacio Buñe, the press secretary, the opposition planned to topple the Arroyo administration by releasing a recording of a phone call between President Arroyo and COMELEC official Virgilio Garciano, which was purportedly obtained through wiretapping. Buñe made the statement to the public on June 5, 2005. The original version of the cassette and the aforementioned altered version were then both made by Secretary Buñe. A statement from President Arroyo that appeared to instruct the COMELEC employee to rig the votes in her favor was inserted in the changed version. An audio tape of a conversation concerning the wiretap involving the President, the First Gentleman Jose Miguel Arroyo, COMELEC Commissioner Garciano, and the late Senator Barbers was also made public on June 7 by Attorney Alan Padilla, the former attorney for ousted President Joseph Estrada. Raul Gonzales, the Secretary of DOJ, then issued a warning to the media saying that anyone with a copy of the CD and anyone broadcasting or publishing its information could be held accountable under the Anti-Wiretapping Act. The National Bureau of Investigation, or the NBI, was also directed by the Secretary Gonzales to pursue media outlets found to have caused the spread, the playing, and the printing of the contents of a tape of an alleged wiretap conversation between the President and others regarding rigging votes in the 2004 presidential election. The main question that needs to be answered is whether the NTC warning contained in the news release from June 11, 2005 is an improper prior constraint on the right to free speech. The Supreme Court ruled in favor of petitioner Francisco Chavez, who filed a petition under Rule 65 of the Rules of Court against the respondent Secretary Gonzales and the NTC, praying for the issuance of writs of certiorari and prohibition as an extraordinary legal remedies to annul void proceedings and to prevent the unlawful, unconstitutional, and oppressive exercise of authority by the respondents. The writs of certiorari and prohibition are hereby issued, nullifying the respondent's official statement from June 8 and 11, 2005, warning media outlets against airing an alleged wiretap conversation between the President and other individual because they constituted an unconstitutional prior restraint on the press and speaker's right to free speech. I now know more about Republic Act number 4200, often known as the Anti-Wiretapping Law, and how important the right to free speech is in the Philippines, particularly considering that the Supreme Court in this instance tended to favor preserving this freedom above the stringent restriction of the Anti-Wiretapping Law.